objectives and you click on your gather info objective, again, you will not see this if it is a give info because there's no need for the bot to retry because it'll just be sending something or giving info that you needed to give. Now, however, if you're on gather info, there's this option right here that says max attempts. Now, you can specify whatever number you want here. It could be 2, it could be, 9, whatever that number is. And it's just telling the bot that, hey, try up to this many times to collect this information. And if the bot fails or, the client or the lead doesn't want to give that information or they keep straying away or trying to, go around that answer, then it will try up to however many times you specify. And if it doesn't collect an information, it fails, it will just pass it on to the next objective. So whether that's in the same priority or it'll pass it on to the next column in a new priority. Now I want to let you know if you turn this off, that is telling the bot that this is a mandatory field. We absolutely have to collect this information. Do not pass until this information is collected. So again, when you see that this thing is off, it is infinitely going to try and collect that information or it will not proceed with the other objectives. However, most of my objectives, unless it's something I absolutely need to, book an appointment or before I can even talk to somebody or our clients can talk to somebody, I usually leave this at 2 or 3. Unless it's absolutely mandatory, then I will leave this off.